and how you were, doing that, trying to not move the market. And, that was a 24/7 endeavor, I'm sure. That would not be possible without the SEN, because the banking system only operates 40 hours a week during normal business hours. And so what we've been able to do via our tech stack, we built an API so that our customers can code to the API so that they can literally, have these programmatic trading strategies that can pull money from their account at Silvergate, put it onto an exchange around the globe, and execute trading strategies 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay. So what other services are you getting into?
Yeah, so that's clearly the primary benefit for that is for cryptocurrency trading, right? When you get over onto the more corporate banking side, a product we launched a couple years ago is a product that we call SEN Leverage, which is essentially taking that trade name that we've developed called the SEN and applying it to the other side of the balance sheet to provide our customers leverage against their Bitcoin holdings. And so what that is, it is literally a Bitcoin collateralized lending offer. And we started that in a pilot phase in early 2020, right before the pandemic hit. We had been working with our regulators on it for about 6 months previous. And so we launched the pilot in January of 2020. Since then, that has now become, quite a successful offering. We ended the year with just under 600 million in loan commitments in that initiative. And importantly, Michael, we have several custodial partners so that if someone like you comes to us and says, hey, I want to borrow against my Bitcoin, but I keep it at Fidelity, or I keep it at NYDIG, or I keep it at Coinbase custody, we've developed a network of custodians that we work with so that you can keep your Bitcoin right where it's at. And that custodial partner locks it up, if you will, on our behalf so that we feel comfortable lending against it. And then we have the ability, because it's a bearer digital instrument, as you know, we can liquidate the collateral if we need to, but you don't want to see your Bitcoin liquidated, so you're likely going to keep that margin in check, or you're going to pay down the loan.
Okay, so it seems like the demand for credit lines or loans against Bitcoin as collateral is growing over the past 2 or 3 years. You think?
Yeah, it absolutely is, and just kind of emphasize that I haven't had a chance to catch much of the session today, although I did